Guys, nakita niya nga yung hair ko, very treated na.
Yan, may ata yung buhok mo sa
Yes, very treated na yung buhok ko, guys. Dahil sa patong-patong na kulay.
Magpapakulay siya tapos magpapatreatment. Iti-treatment natin siya. Thank you for visiting us here at Surgery Salon, Miss Rin. Alam mo, hindi nag-work dito.
Mga vlogger, nag-stop nyo mama. Naka-apply na nga kami ng color sa ating hair. Kaya, ililid muna natin to ng mga 30 minutes, guys. Kasi parang hindi kaya ng aking anit. Masyado na sensitive sa hair color. Yan. Shout out sa aking pogi na nag-apply ng aking hair color sa aming senior citizen, ay senior stylist. Hello, say hi naman dyan.
Hello sa mga followers ni Rachel.
Parang ang dami kong followers.
Followers ni Rachel. Yes.
At sa kanyang magiging mga followers din. Nasaan na yung ano mo? Yan ang anong page mo? Kumuha ka ng page para i-vlog, i-ano kita, i-shout out nila. At ito din pala ang ating pogi na anak.
Hello guys.
It's time mga manay to wash my hair with clarifying shampoo because I'm going also to treat my hair after this. He applies the treatment evenly from the midlands to the ends, staying about half inch away from my scalp. Did you know that hair color looks its best when you properly moisturize your hair? Regular hair treatment, it helps to reduce dryness and minimize breakage and keep your color looking fresh for longer. Wow! So mga manay, coloring your hair doesn't have to mean to sacrifice its health. With the right hair treatment after hair coloring, your hair can stay soft, vibrant, and shiny. As you can see here in these videos, I have watery eyes already because this treatment, it releases fumes that can cause irritation in my eyes and in my nose. That's why I let them to put plastic on my hair because it irritates my nose already. It has very strong smell and I cannot bear it anymore. Yan na nga yung kasabihan na beauty is pain, di ba? Kailangan natin magtiis para lang gumanda yung ating buhok.